Hello friends, my name is Shashidhar. Today I'm going to explain you how to compare two Word documents which has version 1 which is nothing but your original document and comparing with the other document which has information edited or removed content so that will be very easy for you guys to understand what is being added and what is being removed from the document what you are working on it. Types of version uh, there are the two types of you can compare the Word documents. So I'll show you. Uh, I'll walk you through the process of how it works, and that will be very easy for you in Windows 10. So for that, like I have dummy documents from version 1 and version 2, and for that, like I'm going to open a new Word document. I mean, for me, it's very easy for me to work on it. So you open the Word document. This is how it looks like, and go to Review and here you see compare. In compare there are two options you will get. One is a compare two versions and a compare revised version from multiple documents, something like that, so you can work on it. So I'll walk you through the both. So let's start with the first option, that's a compare to version. So you have to select two documents. One is a original document and a revised document to compare, and you have an option of by selecting a drop down or by selecting the this a folder mark. So let's since they've been tested, so I'm going to open version 1, and here is the same thing. I'm going to select the version 2 document, so selected, and then just click OK. So everything will be done like this, like this comparison between the two documents. So what it does is that like it compared with your original document with the revised document and combined together, and what is being added. So for example, in a red text line is added. So this is a content is being added in your document, correct? And this one has been, this section, this question or this information has been removed from this paragraph 2, like this you can easily identify from that. And this fourth uh, paragraph has been removed from the document from your original document. And last paragraph which is addition to your original document. So this content has been added to your document. So you can view. Okay, this is how the your document is looks like. And yeah, this is the first type of document reviewing. So let's close, and I'll show you how other uh, second type of document review can happen. Same way, select content one is nothing but your main document and second two. So in a second type of Word document comparison, it shows the content which has been removed and which has been added. That's how it's a little bit of a difference. Otherwise, everything is the same. So that's a very easy way of reviewing or comparing the documents what is being added. So usually I prefer a second option because I can see what has been removed from the content, but it's not deleted from your document. It is there, but you can see what is being removed, and you can remove it from later point of time. So once you finalizing the document, you can remove it or you can keep whatever you want to do it. You can do it that from it. For example, in this, since we already compared the document, right? So that's why it is been converted into an green text color. Otherwise, it will be look like as an red font. So here what they done is in a revised document. So earlier it was popularized SED was the wording, but it has been changed to ZED. So that's how you can compare the word by word as well. So whatever the changes you see in revised document, that will show it in your compare document. So that's a very easy way of to find out or review the document. So like this, so this content has been this paragraph has been added, and this fourth paragraph has been removed from the your original document. And as I said earlier, in a previous document also this content has been added. So that's how it looks like. That's a very easy way of uh, to find out what is how to compare the two documents. That's it, guys, for today's session. I hope this session will be helpful for you to compare the documents in your day-to life. And thank you so much for watching these videos. And please give a heads up and leave a comment below if you have any concern. And please subscribe to my channel as well. Have a nice day. Bye bye.